First things first, make sure the device is in airplane mode and charged. Now we are going to figure out which type of DME our car is, and I found a simple trick by clicking on MHD license stores. The DME I have is IJEOS. Next we are going to click on Backend Map, which we downloaded earlier, and select our DME. For this example, I am gonna use the Pump USA map. Then we click on the options to select the personalized setup we want. You can change anything from idle, coolant temps to exhaust burbles. Usually a first time MHD write process takes about 20 to 30 minutes. Map rewrites only take about 2 minutes.